Meet the iconic Volkswagen California, your gateway to freedom on the road. Built with German engineering and a dedication to detail, the California redefines what a campervan can be. Whether it's a weekend escape or a cross-country adventure, the California is designed to go wherever your heart takes you. Compact, yet spacious inside, every detail crafted for comfort. A modern, driver-focused cockpit with cruise control, swivel seats, and a central control panel to monitor your water level, battery level, and more. It features a low-consumption, economical diesel engine, ensuring efficient performance, available in both automatic and manual transmission. Flexible dinette seating that converts into a bed, and a dining table, USB plug-ins for added convenience. Stationary heating available to sleep comfortable when it's cold outside. A spacious kitchen with a gas cooker, sink, and a premium cooler fridge. Large water tank included that provides you extended autonomy for your needs. This electrical or manual pop-top roof expands your living space and sleeping space, turning your everyday vehicle into a campervan, a compact vehicle that fits in any garage. Plenty of space to store your luggage. Built with German craftsmanship and attention to detail, blackout blinds for privacy, a leisure battery for extended use, USB plugs throughout the interior, integrated attachment points on the roof and on the sides. This allows you to fit aftermarket roof racks, awnings, and other accessories. As a result, it's one of the most popular campervan on the market. With a vast range of aftermarket parts, we offer you the Volkswagen California for rent in both ocean and coast versions. Drive the journey, not just the destination.